Smita Tipra on the stage, second runners-up. May I now call upon the EM of TTAADC ICA department, Joel Deberma, on the stage, please. Dai, Bonnie, check amount of rupees 25,000 along with the guitar. Like a humbai? Đừng lấy ôi tới sai nói thằng phía đây. Sydney, first runners up. Oh. Bukuk Sushmita. Bukuk Sushmita nini trophies. Bos kamu iya persaka. Sini EM ICA department and sports ni basic dikhe. Suhail Deberma. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome the first runners-up of tonight's event and a very tough competition. To the winner is Sabo Saidaman. Ready? Sabo. Baksani tik panang mano. Baksani enya panang mano. But sing jota ya pakrol lenai jota cirkol lenai. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rahel Kalo on the stage, please. This is the second and the first runners-up. Rahel Kalo on the stage. Bumaya panabagang koinay. Sini GTA di sini ngay EM featuring Rajesh Tipra. Balay kahambay. Guys, a trophy. Logio 50,000 rupees check amount. 50,000 rupees. Body logio. Guys, a guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first runners-up. Check amount 2 rupees. 50,000 and no nibus kango ang tabuk sini final winner no announce final na ito piyaba winner na sigang tubuk lang puila ang numinahanay sini GTA di sini CEM Purno Chandra Jamatia stage of Hanabagi sir please. And now, that final round. The final round is Rupesh Tipra on the stage, please. The winner of TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season. Wow! Guys, a trophy, guys, a guitar, logo, guys, a scooty tie, 1 lakh rupees amount of check, and a scooty. Sengjoto ya performance ni Navin Bagay. And this is history. From today on, second edition ni bagay. Tago tayo buksan. Narajoto ready na to. Sing Tipra Idol Season 2. There was an high kind of hello.